Now, so do you want some hot cocoa? I'll give you some hot cocoa and then...
Thanks.
Yeah.
Okay. How does it work? When little bit by little, it can go from small to big instead of one big hit.
How many spoons of sugar do you want, Joe?
I think 2 will be enough. I'll ask Dr. O'Con.
Cold
Let's
or
see.
hot?
Hot, please. I'll ask her when she comes back.
Here's your cocoa.
Thanks.
It's hot.
I've been meaning to wonder and to tell you, how does it work the water cycle? I mean, when it rains, it goes down slowly, starts out, and then it goes big. When it could just go from big and all the way down.
Oh,
Big
it
to-
doesn't work that easy, Joe. Read and check my book. I just came back from my lab and I found this bottle. It's one of my latest treatments. And exactly water bottles don't just drink, but you could tell about the drops of water. See? You see, the drops of water do look like that. So when it falls down, it don't actually stick together that much. So it just falls down in different area, different shape.
So there's another clue. Well, now I found out. Thanks for letting me over. I
Wait!
need the rain stuff.
I just want to give me something. Where is it?
I don't know what you're looking
Here
for.
you go. This is called the time clock.
Really?
Yeah. The time clock will show you and give you different places that you want to come. Like if you want to go into the class,